The government may have suffered a legal setback, but by no means has it given up on its plans to tackle the ever-expanding shantytown dilemma. Cleopatra Murphy has the latest from the Attorney General following that Supreme Court ruling.
Government will proceed with plans to demolish shantytowns on Abaco and New Providence, despite Chief Justice Sir Ian Winder's ruling on May 3rd that only two of some 300 shantytown homes were built in defiance of a 2018 Supreme Court injunction preventing new construction. Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Senator the Honorable Ryan Pinder explains the next move.
The judge ruled that the notice of the injunction was not adequately served on the applicable people that were enjoined. That does not foreclose us from proceeding under violations of the building regulations. That was specific to the injunction, which we wanted to proceed to test the injunction and test that matter in front of the courts. However, we certainly have every right to proceed with violations of the building regulations. We intend to proceed along that process.
As for when actual demolitions will begin, Pinder says the Unregulated Communities Action Task Force, chaired by Minister of Works and Utilities the Honorable Alfred Sayers, will make that determination.
Certainly, as far as the Attorney General's office is concerned, we'll put in the legal requirements and the legal processes to give the government the authority to proceed. But, as you can imagine, it's a very sensitive matter with respect to social assistance, with respect to Bahamians living in these structures, and the government's response to that. And all of those were in the remit of the committee.
In his ruling, the Chief Justice made it clear that the Minister of Works and Utilities has means under the law to demolish shantytown dwellings, a criticism Attorney Fred Smith, who represented some 177 shantytown residents in the case against government, also made, accusing government of attempting to use the court to do its job. Pinder says he does not respond to Smith, also dismissing the claim.
No. The legal system is in place for a reason, and you follow through on the aspects of the law and matters that are in front of the judiciary, and that's all that was.
For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Cleopatra Murphy.